Bonjour everyone! Welcome back to Home Decor 101. I am so sure I butchered that. But if you've ever dreamed of bringing that elegant, cozy, and charming French country vibe into your home, then this video is for you. Today we're diving deep into French country home decor for beginners. What it is, what makes it special, and how you can bring it into your own space, no matter where you live. So grab your favorite cup of tea, or in the spirit of the video, maybe a French roast, and let's get started. So we're going to start with what is French country home decor. Imagine a cozy countryside cottage in the south of France, filled with charm, rustic elegance, and a touch of old world sophistication. This style is warm, inviting, and chic. It blends vintage, rustic, and refined elements to create a home that feels lived in but yet elegant and timeless. French country design beautifully balances soft elegance with rustic charm. Think of it as a mix between farmhouse comfort and European sophistication. It's all about creating a space that's both charming and practical, with a touch of romance. So as we dive a little deeper, let's talk about the key components of French country decor. Number one, of course, you have your furniture and your materials. French country furniture is a mix of ornate and rustic. Expect to see those two things interchangeably. So you're going to see beautifully curved wooden tables, distressed finishes, and antique-inspired pieces. By the way, if you're interested to see what some of this furniture looks like, of course I'm showing it in the video, but I'm also going to link to my Amazon store, so just check the description box. I've curated a number of French country pieces that would look beautiful in your home if you're going for this style. So besides the furniture materials, you're also going to see a lot of natural materials. So wood, linen, wrought iron, and stone, which all make frequent appearances in this style. So consider a distressed farmhouse dining table, a Louis XV style chair, or a wrought iron bed frame. All of these tick the box on French country. Now it's also going to exhibit a really soft and elegant color palette. The French country color palette is all about soft, muted tones that really reflect the natural beauty of the French countryside. I love neon as much as the next girl, but it's just not welcomed in this style. Think shades of cream, beige, soft white, muted blues, sage greens, warm yellows, and even a little bit of lavender. This creates a really airy, relaxed feel that instantly makes a space feel more serene and inviting. So next up, let's talk fabrics and textures. Fabrics play a huge role in this style. Opt for linen, cotton, and toile prints, which are all classic French country fabrics. Toile, which features delicate floral scenes, is a staple in curtains, upholstery, and bedding. You can also layer textures with ruffled throw pillows, woven baskets, and soft draping curtains to add depth to your space. And while we're talking about that, let's go ahead and speak on decorative accents. Decor is all about vintage-inspired elegance. So look for ceramic pitchers, antique-style clocks, gilded mirrors, and crystal chandeliers. Wrought iron candle holders, wooden trays, and dried lavender bouquets bring in that natural, rustic touch. And of course, fresh flowers and vintage vases are a must. Peonies, hydrangeas, and roses are perfect choices. So we're going to look a little lower and talk about flooring and walls. Wooden floors, stone tiles, or terracotta really add to the rustic charm. For walls, soft colored plaster, Exposed beams or shiplap are great choices. That's where that rustic comes in. You can even try a faux distressed paint finish for that extra authenticity. So if you want to see this style in real life, here are a few iconic places that embody French country decor. So let's start with Château de Goudin, a breathtaking historic chateau in southern France, restored with classic French country charm. And speaking of southern France, we can get tons of inspiration there. Check out some of the Provence farmhouses. The picturesque homes in Provence feature all the signature elements of this style, from stone exteriors to lavender-filled gardens. And lastly, check out, and I'm gonna try my best to pronounce this, Les Mas de Poirier, a luxurious yet rustic home in Avignon that perfectly showcases this aesthetic. So where can you shop to bring this look home? Don't worry, you don't have to fly to France. Here are some great places to find French country decor on any budget. Of course, first I'm going to give you some of our budget-friendly options, the Home Goods, the TJ Maxx's, the Targets, for really affordable rustic pieces and linen textiles. If you live near an IKEA or just check out their website, they have simple wooden furniture with a rustic touch, perfect for this style. Now there are also some mid-range and specialty stores like Pottery Barn, Wayfair, and Anthropologie for vintage-inspired decor and a lot of distressed furniture. Also check out Etsy for handmade French farmhouse accents like ceramic pitchers and toile pillows. Of course, there's always Amazon. I always try to leave you a few pieces in the description box. So if you haven't checked the description box in the video, be sure that you do that because I pick some of my favorite pieces of any video that I create. Specifically, it will be French country pieces in there today. And also there are a few authentic and high-end places like Restoration Hardware that will just give you beautifully crafted heirloom quality pieces. Don't forget your antique shops and flea markets as well. So let's talk about bringing this style home. So if you're starting from scratch, how easy is it to create this look? The great news is it's totally doable. Here's a simple way to start small and build your dream French country space over time. My first tip would be to start with a neutral base. Paint your walls in soft creams, beiges, or pastel tones. Tip number 2, incorporate vintage-inspired furniture. Add a distressed wood coffee table or upholstered bench. Number 3, layer in fabrics and texture. Think linen curtains, a ruffled table runner, or a cozy throw blanket. Tip number 4, accessorize thoughtfully. Add ceramic vases, antique mirrors, and fresh or dried flowers. And of course, the main tip, don't forget the ambiance. A soft chandelier or candle sconces can instantly elevate the space. And that's it! French country decor is all about embracing elegance with a rustic twist. It's charming, it's timeless, and it's totally achievable, no matter where you live. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more home decor tips and inspiration. Merci for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Au revoir, and happy decorating. You guys can tell me in the comments how bad my French is. I know, this Oklahoma girl doesn't speak French. Have a great day, friends. Bye.